Welcome. In our next period, we take the example. Consider the function u given by x cos phi plus y sin phi, where phi is constant. Equation 1, which represents an integral surface of the equation given by f equal to p square plus q square minus 1 equal to 0. But we know that dx by d sigma given by fp. Fp is the partial derivative of f with respect to p, del f by del p, which is a function of x, y, u, ux and uy. Again, ux and uy are functions of x and y. Now dy by d sigma equal to fq. Fq is also function of x, y, u, ux, uy. Now dx by d sigma, we find the value of this. Dx by d sigma is given by fp and f is given by equation 1. Derivative of f with respect to p, we have del f by del p, that is fp, and fp is given by twice of p from equation 2, twice p, and p equal to, we have here cos of phi, therefore 2 cos phi. Again dy by d sigma equal to twice q, dy by d sigma twice q. Q means derivative of f with respect to q, therefore we have twice q. Again q equal to sin phi, 2 sin phi. Therefore the monk curves of 2 on integral surface 1 are given by integrating the equations dx by d sigma, that is integrating this equation and integrating this equation. Therefore we have x equal to the integration of dx, x, and 2 cos phi is constant, integration of d sigma, sigma, plus x0, x0 is the constant. Therefore x equal to this. Again integrating the second equation, we have y equal to 2 sin 0 sigma plus y0. Now from these equations we write x equal to, write down first x0 plus 2 sigma, sigma is taken here, 2 sigma cos phi, and y equal to y0 plus 2 sigma sin phi. Therefore u equal to, the given function u equal to x0 cos phi plus y0 sin phi plus twice of sigma. Twice sigma is the constant. Also the monk curve s of p and q are known from these equations. P equal to ux, that is p equal to partial derivative del u by del x, which is a function of x, which is function of x, y. Again x and y are the functions of sigma, x0, y0, and q is the partial derivative del u by del y, which is again function of x, y, and x and y are again function of sigma, x0, y0 respectively. Then to find the rate of change of p and q along the monk curve on S, we have f of x, y, u, p, q equal to 0 is identically satisfied by this equation u equal to u of x, y. Now differentiating this equation 5 with respect to x, therefore we find derivative of f with respect to x, del f by del x, that is fx, plus derivative of y is 0 because we are differentiating with respect to x. Then derivative of u, we write fu into del u by del x by chain rule. Again derivative of this f with respect to coordinate p, fp into uxx plus fq into uyx equal to 0 on the surface S. Now d from the equation 8, this is dp by d sigma is this equation. Also the monk curve on S is given by dux by d sigma, that is partial derivative of ux with respect to sigma is given by uxx into dx by d sigma plus uxy into dy by d sigma. Dp by d sigma equal to this. From equation 8, equation 7 becomes, that is we put the values in equation 7, therefore we have dp by d sigma equal to minus fx plus p of u, that we have seen in the characteristic equations of Charpit's equations. Similarly, the variation of q along the monk curve on S is dq by d sigma equal to minus of fy plus q of u, equation 10. Therefore we have shown that for given integral surface, a family of monk curve which generate the surface and along which x, y, p, q varies according to the equations. We write the equations. dx by d sigma equal to fp dy by d sigma equal to fq du by d sigma. These are like the characteristic equation we have seen. P of p plus q of q dp by d sigma equal to minus fx minus p fu and dq by d sigma equal to minus fr minus q fu 15. Therefore, we say that the Monk curve exists only on a given integral surface. Therefore, exists only on a given integral surface. The equations 11 to 15 form a set of equations. The equations 11 to 15 are called as the system of characteristic equations or characteristic equations and the equation 11 to 2 are called, and the equations 11 and 12 are called as characteristic equations and equations 13, 14, 15 are called compatibility conditions. Are called compatibility condition. Now this is about the characteristic equations and compatibility conditions.